All right, we have another Duggan NIKI product test. This one should be really cool. It is from DeerFamy. This is a hammock chair. It should be awesome while camping, at the RV park, anywhere. This should be super comfortable and fun. Before we take it out, I just want to say again, thank you to DeerFamy for supplying this for us, but this is not sponsored. So they gave us the chair, but it's ours to test out and give you an honest answer on it. Ooh, looks cool. Packaging is nice. A little like Christmas here. Comes with a nice carrying case. You'll find everything they make, even down to this carrying case, is all double stitched, nice high quality workmanship. This is a subtle thing, but one of those things that separates really good products from average products. This bag has a side zipper, so it's much easier to put it back in after you've used it. It's clearly a very nice sturdy design. Is this all I have to do?
That's awesome.
That on there. That guy on there. Let's open the snaps into place. Okay, here's the big test, because the word hammock is always a little scary because we've all tried to get in hammocks before. I'm gonna sit in it for the first time. This is so freaking cool. Wow. Let's talk about a couple of the other features of this. It is capable of holding 350 pounds. I am not 350 pounds, but I am solid, not what I'm supposed to weigh due to COVID, and I am a reasonably good test of this, and it feels super solid. It is ultra wide, just like they said. It is padded in the back, so it's comfortable, padded on the sides. I think my only problem is going to be fighting with NIKI over who gets to sit in it most of the time. Okay, this swing design is super cool. It feels totally comfortable, stable, like really stable. Speaking of stable, let's try something real quick. Let's try getting out of it and see if we fall over or knock it over. And that is so cool. Let's get back in it again because we like sitting in it. I am a fan of this. This is really cool. Okay, I wanted to reshoot the sitting in it and getting up because I have a tip, because my first getting up wasn't the most slick. So once you're sitting in it, I made it more complicated than it needs to be. Just make sure your feet are right underneath you. Stand up. That's all there is to it. I hope this product review has been informative for you. If this is something that you're interested in buying, use the link below to go to DeerFamy on Amazon. It helps our channel. Their products are great. We've tested 3 now, and love them all. Thanks so much for watching. I'm sure you've already clicked that like button and the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.